Okay, let's talk about the tri-ring for a second so you have a better relationship to it. Well, I'm gonna show you. So the way the tri-ring works, it has 3 seams on it, and you line up the seams with the petals. And then what you can do is, if you put your fingers on one of the petals, while you hold the tri-ring, you can pull the petal out. And once you get the first one out, the other ones are really easy to get out. To put it back in, I find harder as well. What you do is you line up one of them with, so you want the seam lined up with the line. And then the second one should be pretty easy to do as well. It's the third one that's really tough. So if you take this thing, the petal, and you squeeze your petal, and then you push the tip, just the tip, down into the hole, and then you push really hard toward the string, while you push the tri-ring toward the end of the capsule, it will go in there. I think what's really important though is making sure that you have the seam of the petal lined up with the tri-ring. And if you don't, it's impossible. They do have conversion kits too that'll allow you to convert from whatever your handle is to their capsule handles. You know, I think the method that I just gave you has been the most effective for me. I also have weak hands, so if I can do it, I feel like most people can.